Hello, wonderful viewers, and thank you for tuning in to Lions and Roses 21, where we keep it real 100% and react to some of the most scariest, most freakiest, most creepiest, and most horrifying of videos we can find on the internet. Today we're going to continue with Nuke's Top 5, and today I've got a very funny title for you guys. It's entitled Top 10 Scary Ghost Videos Mama Says Don't Watch. But we're going to watch it anyway, that's why obviously we're here. Before I do play the button, guys, pause the video if you have to and make yourselves a nice cup of tea or coffee and kick back, because we don't know what to expect. So we're going to dive straight into it, counting from 3, 2, 1, go!
Top 10 ghosts caught on camera. Ghost in the Machine. These next two creepy videos appeared on YouTube over 8 years ago and were uploaded by YouTube user Marvin Kagawas. Marvin explains that after his grandmother passed away, strange, unexplained events began to occur in his family home. One night, he captures the terrifying activity on camera.
Alvin.
That Toya's gone off.
It ain't funny anymore, man. Dude. Alvin. It ain't funny, man.
Who is he calling? I don't understand.
Alvin.
Shit, man. Suspense is killing me.
Oh, what the f? Holy shit.
The light moved.
A toy that belongs to Marvin's niece activates and plays songs by itself. Marvin is suspicious that his brother Alvin might be playing a prank on him and takes a look around the house. When he gets back to the living room, a lamp hanging from the ceiling is swaying back and forth. Marvin is just done, and he runs back upstairs to his bedroom. In another video, Marvin is playing around with the settings on his Xbox One Connect. He discovers the night vision feature and tries it out. What he captures is downright chilling.
Hey you guys, I just wanted to show you guys a pretty quick feature of the Xbox One and its Connect. It actually has a pretty cool night vision that I just found today. And if you guys already know it has night vision, then I'm gonna show the people who don't know. So right now it's completely dark in this house right now. All you can basically see is my Xbox One controller. Now I'm gonna switch on the night vision for you guys. As you can see, it lights up the whole room. It's actually a pretty cool feature. I don't know if they have an app for this or whatnot.
That's a head.
But,
That's somebody's head.
They also have this version of the camera. I don't know what it is. I think it's either infrared or something like that. And then back to dark. As you can see, all you can see is my Xbox controller. And then back to night vision. It's actually, pretty cool feature for the Xbox Connect that I haven't really heard of until now. Maybe they have an app for it or something like that. But yeah, thanks for watching.
Someone or something can be seen standing in the back room, but Marvin doesn't notice. He turns off the night vision, and when he turns it back on, the figure is gone. Marvin says he has no idea who or what this could be, but interestingly, before
Looks like a clown.
Marvin's grandmother passed away, this room in the back was her sewing room.
Oh.
Marvin says his grandmother passed away, this room in the back was her sewing room. Marvin says his family moved shortly after this incident. So is it a
Well
ghost? I leave it up to
Well
you
done for
to
moving out.
decide. Hands off. This next video shows a family spending a fun day at the park somewhere in Japan. A young boy dips his feet in the water of the wading pool and trudges along the edge. But there's something else in the water.
The boy is startled. Something startled the toddler. Come back, boy. Come back. Yes, welcome back. Welcome back.
Did you see it? A tiny little pale hand can be seen reaching out of the water, startling the little boy as he quickly gets out of the wading pool.
That is weird.
Now, some superstitious viewers of the video believe that the hand belongs to a Japanese amphibious water sprite known in folklore to be a kappa. Though often depicted as friendly, throughout history the little water monsters have been said to lure and drown victims in ponds and rivers. So could this little hand belong to a kappa? Or
That
could
is
this
so
be
weird because I have never seen. Let me just go back.
So could this little hand?
I've seen so many animals, you know, within the animal kingdom in my lifetime, and I haven't seen an animal that has a limb like that. That is so weird. And it retreats as well, as if to lure the kid.
Belong to a kappa? Or could this be something else entirely? I leave it up to you to decide. Screams from the woods. Twitch streamer Young is a South Korean college student living in Vancouver, Canada, where he streams his daily life and frequently broadcasts his walks throughout the city. Late one night, Young is live on Twitch when he encounters something that sends chills down his spine.
Guys, this is scary shit. This is actually scary. I'm actually scary. What if the animal comes out?
Don't jinx it, mate. Don't jinx yourself.
Why is the animal following me?
Go home. ASAP.
Walk faster.
Yeah.
Strange loud screams and wails can be heard coming from the woods all around him. Young and his live audience are undecided on who or what this could be. Some
Somebody asked the question, why you out in park? The question should be, why the hell are you in the park so late?
think it might just be animals. Some believe it's drunks whooping it up in the forest. And some even think it could be a cult or witches. But what do you think? Let me know down in the comments.
I think it could be an animal that's obviously howling. Maybe the animal is in heat, looking for a mate. I think that's the only logical explanation.
The light in the mirror. Reddit user Danat Shepard related a very strange story. He said that he woke up one night to a strange light shining somewhere in his bedroom. When he scanned the room for the light source, he got quite a fright. You see, the light was coming from his desk lamp, but not the one on his desk. It was the one in the reflection in his bedroom mirror. He grabbed his iPhone and caught the strange event
Bloody
on
hell.
camera.
Imagine that. That is messed up. That is messed up.
Now, skeptical viewers claim that it was simply an identical desk in a connecting room, separated by a doorway. But Donat proved them wrong by posting 2 wide-angle pictures of his bedroom, showing that the lighted desk lamp was actually appearing in a large wardrobe mirror. There is no connecting room. Reddit users went to work examining the video, and they found what looks like a bizarre face in the reflection of the desk when the video is enhanced.
Look at that. I have to admit, it does look fake, generated by computer graphics, so I wouldn't get too hyped up, and that face looks so static.
But Donat says that he saw nothing else out of the ordinary that...
That is messed up, guys. Imagine you wake up to that view. Bloody hell, what would you do? I would bloody scream out as loud as I can to blow the roof off, man. Just think about it. If you were able to walk through that mirror into a different dimension of space and time. A bit like a wormhole.
Night. Donat rechecked the mysterious mirror for several nights afterward, but the strange light never reappeared.
Throw that mirror outside after you shatter it into pieces. Throw that lamp outside and bloody throw that desk outside as well. That is messed up, look at that.
Now, it bears noting that Donat Shepard is in no way a typical hoaxer or even a believer in the paranormal. In over 5 years and hundreds of Reddit posts, this is Donat Shepard's only post about anything remotely supernatural or paranormal. So, what do you think? Did Donat experience an unexplained event? Or is it all just an elaborate hoax?
Sorry, but I think
decide.
This is a hoax. Has to be a hoax. Look at that face.
Doppelganger. Now, this next video was originally uploaded to TikTok, but the account has now mysteriously disappeared. TikTok user Jay Van Gogh says that his mother was taking care of his nephew one night when the boy ran over and claimed that he saw a child that wanted to play with him. But bear this in mind. Jay Van Gogh says that his nephew was the only child in the house that night. They check the CCTV footage and they find this.
Shit. Oi, 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 I saw a black figure there. Guys, that's messed up. That is really messed up, man. Oi, oi. That is so messed up, man. When it came out from the room, it was just like one black liquid type of shape that it fell on the floor, but we can't see because that couch is there, and it just transformed into a child with a white shirt. There was no color of white when it came out in the liquid form. It's so weird. I'm gonna have to play that back. Just have a look, guys. Yeah, just have a look. This is so freaky, man. Bloody hell. Bloody hell. That is so messed up, I swear.
The little boy backs out of the room and seems a bit startled as he looks up at something that we can't see. The light flickers and he walks away, but something seems to follow him. Whatever it is appears to look like him with dark hair and a white t-shirt. The small figure goes back into the room.
When it comes out from the room, it's shorter compared to when it goes back into the room.
In a white t-shirt. Whatever it is appears to
Just look at this.
But something seems to follow him. Whatever it is appears to look like him with dark hair and a white t-shirt.
That is messed up.
The small figure goes back into the room and the boy suddenly decides to follow. Now, some believe this apparition to be a doppelganger, a demonic entity taking the similar form of a child. But what do you think this could be? And why did the TikTok account suddenly disappear? Waking up to a nightmare. Now, this next video was
Waking up to a nightmare? Imagine having a nightmare and then waking up to a nightmare. Bloody hell.
sent in by a viewer who found it online. The clip is chilling, but unfortunately, the source is unknown. It shows a man sleeping in bed, and then things get weird.
What the? Damn. He is in shock. He is in shock.
The man is lifted off the bed and awakes in a terrified panic. Then something invisible seems to violently grab his legs, lifting him right up into the air as he desperately tries to get away.
That is messed up.
Whatever is holding on to him then just lets go. The man crawls to the edge of the bed and appears to be in shock. Now, I don't know who this guy is or whether the footage is real or fake, but it has terrified hundreds of viewers who found it online. So, what do you think? Is it real, or is it all just an elaborate hoax?
It could be a hoax. Maybe a man in a green suit is responsible for obviously holding this man from the legs and dangling him up in the air. So a man in a green suit would be the only logical explanation.
You decide. Hospital of Horrors. Paranormal investigators Kevin, Fabio, and cameraman Alexis from the YouTube channel Archivo Extinto head out to explore an abandoned maternity hospital in Mexico. The sprawling property is said to be the home to many powerful supernatural entities. Locals say that the hospital is haunted by the spirits of mothers and children who lost their lives in childbirth. It is also said that a dark demonic presence stalks the building. Some even claim to have seen the gloomy apparition of an old nurse roaming the hospital halls. The Archivo Extinto team splits up to explore different paranormal hotspots throughout the maternity hospital. Kevin sets out to film inside the hospital's chapel. Meanwhile, Fabio investigates the operating rooms on the other side of the building.
Why do you guys have to split up in a place like this?
Kevin explores the hospital's chapel all alone. He experiences something downright chilling.
Don't touch anything. Shouldn't touch it.
Una vestimenta de mi padre.
Boy, shit. Spooky, man. Bloody hell. What the hell? The rope's on the floor. Told you not to touch it, mate. Get the hell out. Get out.
Estaba allá. Familia, estaba allá.
Get the hell out, mate. You know, if you've played that video game called Outlast 2, there is a scene, or maybe I think 2 or 3 scenes. I haven't played the game completely. But at the end there is a scene where the guy is in the chapel. And this is what it bloody reminds me of. Outlast 2.
Kevin hears knocking coming from somewhere in the hallway. He goes to check it out, but when he turns back toward the chapel, he realizes that the robe that was hanging from one of the chapel pews has now moved and is on the floor right behind him, almost as if something was following him. Meanwhile, back over in the operating ward, investigator Fabio is all alone. He begins to hear terrifying noises coming from the operating rooms. The sounds seem to be getting closer and closer.
Oh shit. Shit, man. Damn, son, get the hell up, man. Call your friend on the radio. Can't watch this. Fuck, man. Oh, guys. Shit. I really felt that bang, man. It went it went straight to my body, man. Bloody hell. That was a shockwave. I felt that, guys. I felt that shockwave. Bloody hell. Let's hear it again. Even though I don't want to. Oi, oi, oi. Get the hell out, mate. Go up, go up. Get the fuck up, man. Bloody hell.
Fabio is horrified as the loud, angry bang scares the living shit out of him. Now we go back to the chapel again, where investigator Kevin decides it might be a good idea to say a prayer in the hopes that nothing evil will follow the team home from the hospital. He angles his camera towards himself and begins to pray. His camera captures something truly terrifying.
Familia, en este momento voy a sentarme a rezar porque están empezando a pasar muchas cosas. Y no quiero que nada de lo que pueda haber en este lugar.
I don't want anything that might be here to stay with me or leave with me. Or with anyone from the Archivo Extinto team. Yeah. What a guy. What a good man. Brave man.
Padre nuestro que estás en los cielos, santificado sea tu nombre. Venga a nosotros tu reino. Ave María, llena eres de gracia. El Señor es contigo. Bendita eres entre todas las mujeres. Y bendito sea el fruto de tu vientre, Jesús. Santa María, Madre de Dios y Madre nuestra. Padre nuestro que estás en los cielos, santificado sea tu nombre. Venga a nosotros tu
Pay
reino.
attention to the shadow that moves
Hágase,
behind
Señor, tu
Kevin.
voluntad en la tierra como en el cielo. Danos hoy nuestro pan de cada día. Perdona nuestras ofensas también como nosotros perdonamos a los que nos ofenden. No nos dejes caer en la tentación y líbranos de todo mal. Amén. Ave María, llena eres de gracia, el Señor es contigo. Bendita eres entre todas las mujeres y bendito sea el fruto de tu vientre, Jesús. Santa María, Madre de Dios y Madre nuestra, ruega, Señora, por nosotros los pecadores, ahora y en la hora de nuestra muerte. Amén. En nombre del Padre, del Hijo, del Espíritu Santo. Amén.
Amen, brother. Amen. Amen. Go and find your friend.
Kevin's walkie-talkie begins to freak out, emitting random static and sound. Then, as Kevin prays, something or shape can be seen forming right next to him.
You see, guys, it just goes to show that these sinister spirits, demons, ghosts, jinn, whatever they are, some of them don't have any regard for prayers and God.
The creepy apparition appears to be leaning over Kevin, but then it moves away and seems to slowly disappear right into the floor. Soon after this, Fabio radios in and says that he's had enough of the creepy noises over in the operating rooms. He says that he has a bad feeling that something might be
Damn,
coming
look at him, mate.
to harm
He has
him.
had enough.
The team decides to end their investigation right there and head home.
Good, get out.
So did the investigators capture proof of ghosts in the old hospital? Could it be something even worse? As always, I leave it all up to you to decide.
Man, that loud bang was one of the scariest things I've ever heard, honestly. It was like a shockwave, man. I felt it from here, seriously. It just made my whole body tremble, man.
You can watch this full 2-part investigation of the abandoned maternity hospital with even more paranormal
I don't wanna
encounters
see
that
that
I didn't
again,
show here
please.
over on the YouTube channel Archivo Extinto. Exploration gone wrong. TikTok and YouTube user Eon Jin from Colorado sets out to explore an abandoned nursing home, completely alone. As you might imagine, it did not go well.
You wanna go all alone in the middle of the night by yourself, man? Come on, man. Are you nuts? I don't understand some people, seriously. Oh yeah, I saw a black shadow figure there.
Someone or something appears to be lurking in the darkness of the abandoned nursing home, and Ian Jin makes a run for it. After calming down and watching his footage, he gathers his courage and asks a friend to go back and explore the nursing home with him. And surprise, again, it did not go well.
I'm not seeing anything.
Shit.
I swear I saw something down there.
At least we've got 2 people
Zoom in
right
a little
now.
bit more. I'm trying to. Right there, right there, right there. See it? Over? What the? Oh, what the? I saw that.
I saw something.
That was actually a person.
It went to the
Bro, I'm
right
not
side.
joking. Let's get out of here. Come
It
on.
moved to the right side.
Demon? No, that's
Oh,
yeah, no.
He called it a demon. Don't provoke it, mate. Don't provoke it.
Not joking. Let's get out of here. Come on.
Hold on. Demon?
No, dude, that's
Oh yeah, now you're scared that there's.
That's actually a
This
person.
guy's crazy.
Not joking.
Oi.
It's actually a person. Bro.
You sure?
Yes. I can heal him down now. Like,
I can't hear anything, dude.
you're an idiot.
You're f***ing crazy.
No, I'm not. Guarantee you 100%. But walks past again, it's a real person. I don't trust this place, man. This place is
Get out, mate.
creepy as night.
Sure it is.
Tell you what.
All right. Well, then let's get out of here.
Yeah, come on.
No, we're just gonna keep recording back that way. See if like they start running or something.
Because if he does, I have this. I'll throw it at him. Whatever it is, then
Stupid.
I can tell.
Yeah, there's nothing there.
Alright, let's go.
All right.
I know I saw something, and I know I'm not fucking crazy.
Just like last time, a dark figure comes out of the shadows and then disappears back into the darkness. Hyunjin's friend does not seem to take him seriously at all, until whoever or whatever it is comes running towards them, screaming like a maniac. The 2 friends make a run for it and manage to escape the abandoned nursing home unharmed. Now, even if this is not a ghost or anything paranormal, if this is just some creep hiding out in an abandoned building, well, to me, that seems pretty scary too.
Yeah, look
What?
at this place. Who the hell? Even a squatter, yeah? If you were to give the squatter an option, yeah, to have like a roof over his head, who the hell would want to live here, mate? Like in these conditions in the dark? I don't understand.
What do you think about these videos? Man or ghost? Real or fake? I leave it up to you
We have to hear
decide.
that sound again, guys, yeah?
Go creep. This is not escape yet. Screaming that appears back.
Crazy?
Guys, imagine you heard that sound. Something running at you with that sound. Maybe at that particular point of time, you'd forget where the exit is, you know? That's how scary it is.
Just like last time, a dark figure comes out of the shadows and then
Anyway, let's
disappears
move on to
back
the
into
next
the
one.
darkness. Scary friend. Joe Hernandez from Goleta, California is home alone with his 4-year-old son, Nico, when his son begins to see something that he calls a, quote, scary friend.
Scary friend. Scary friend.
That is really messed up, seriously. The child is labeling whatever it is that out there, the paranormal activity, a scary friend. That is really messed up.
Little Nico claims he sees a, quote, scary friend, and soon after the hallway light turns on by
That
itself.
is messed up.
Joe goes to check it out but finds nothing and no one that could explain what just happened. Meanwhile, back in the bedroom, the closet door slams shut on its own. Could it be that Joe's son saw a paranormal entity? A, quote, scary friend? I leave it up to you to decide.
If the father has trained the child to utter those 2 words, scary friend, like that, then I find that more upsetting, you know, seriously.
The Suspicious Screamer. A seemingly normal night in Phoenix, Arizona turns into a horror show for TikTok user Oscar, who is outside hanging out with his cousin when he hears something truly bizarre. A woman screams out for help as she seemingly walks calmly down the street in front of Oscar's home. Oscar and his cousin think the situation is a bit sketchy and quickly go inside.
Yeah, go in, mate.
Oscar says that he had only moved into the neighborhood 4 months earlier and ran inside to keep his 14-year-old cousin safe.
Well done, brother.
A bit later, a strange SUV drives slowly down the road in front of Oscar's house.
That's what I would do. If I heard some shit like that, I'd quickly go in and call the police, mate. Straight. This guy, he's a good uncle to his nephew, 100%. Guys, don't investigate, just go back inside.
Oscar believes the woman might have been a decoy to lure someone out onto the street to get robbed, or maybe even worse.
Yeah.
He called the police, but he never heard back. But
Bloody lazy police.
what do you think was happening here? Why would someone be walking so calmly, yet seemingly screaming in abject terror for help?
That sound is more scarier than the previous clips, man. Seriously, I don't like a lady who shouts and wails like that. It's like the most horrifying thing, ever. It's like a witch. Imagine she screamed like that, yeah, in the middle of the night, and you actually approached her and said, "Hi there, you alright?" And her face just frizzles and turns into a bloody demon, man. Bloody hell. She is walking normally, like everything is okay, but the only thing that's abnormal is her screaming out like that in the middle of the night. That's hella sus. It's fucking weird. Excuse the language, but it's bloody weird.
Another bonus scary video this week, and again, it's another Japanese video of unknown origin. Now, this didn't make the top 10 because, again, it's just a little too perfect. So it could be a short film or maybe an ARG. Either way, I thought it was extremely creepy. So the story goes that 2 guys are visiting a Japanese shrine in a neighboring town. And then, this happens.
Why do you want to visit a shrine in the middle of the night? Near some woods. I don't understand.
あの辺だと思った。もうそろそろ。この辺？あ、そこだ。あ、そこか。え？
Hey, there's someone there. Oh shit. She's done a full 90-degree angle.
入ってくじゃん。
Mate, do a U-turn and get the fuck out. Excuse the language. Get the hell out, mate. She's gone into the woods. Bloody hell, can you believe this?
そこの人？
Does she live here, mate? Are you crazy?
ここの人なんていいの？すごい怖かったね。なんだよ。
Oh no, they followed her into the woods, man. Bloody hell.
超怖い。
If it's scary, mate, just go
あの人いな
back.
くな
What
い？
are you doing, mate?
ね。どこ行ったの？ヤシゴの人。
Okay, I think that's the shrine, right? Oh no. Guys, I think this is... Is this fake or real? Can someone tell me, please? Yeah, bloody hell.
大丈夫。大丈夫。なんかね、ちょっとしょぼいね。女の人いないね。
Why are you so obsessed about that woman, mate?
中か。中？この中ってこと？いや、それはないでしょ。 頭地に入ってる。
Oh no, I heard something.
神崎どうしたの？大丈夫？
Oh no, he's puking.
大丈夫？気持ち悪いの？
Shit, man. He's not feeling alright. Oh no, that's that lady, man. She's coughing somewhere in the woods. Bloody hell, mate. Get out. Don't tell me she's gonna come popping out from nowhere. Can't watch this. Can't watch this. Sorry, guys. I think I'm gonna have to end the video here. I can't watch this anymore. Seriously, I really can't watch it anymore. Get out, mate. Call the police. Don't tell me his friend is missing now.
Kanzaki さっきここずっといた？ここに。
Can't watch this. Go back, man. Go home. Too late. Watch your back.
うん、ちょっとパラついてきた。
Man, the suspense is real, man. The suspense is killing me.
神崎大丈夫？
Just get it done and over with, mate.
うん。いやマジもうちょっとだからさ。ごめん。大丈夫？気持ち悪い？大丈夫？
Hold his hand, man. Just get back home. If I had a sick friend like that, I would hold his hand or something, man.
神崎？
Oh, this guy, man. You don't even know how to tie your shoelaces, bruv.
大丈夫か？
Take your shoes off and walk home, man, if you have to. Just get the hell out.
うん。OK？なんでそんな薬もほどけんだろうね。
Whoa. What the f-
あれ？
Oh, man. That has to be fake, man. That has to be fake. That has to be fake.
神崎？
That can't be real. Ah, guys, they messed it up at the end, man. That was an anticlimax. They should have ended it in a more realistic way. That would have been awesome, man. But nevertheless, that was very scary. Guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Some sound effects in these clips were really, really caused my soul to tremble. That's all I can say. It was really awesome. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. Make sure if you haven't subscribed, please do like the video and press the notification bell for future videos. And as always, I'll catch you on the flip side.